Hello guys, welcome back to my class. Topic for today is consonant sounds. In today's video, we'll be discussing three important sounds. This sound is pronounced t, t. The second sound is pronounced d, d. And the third sound is also pronounced d. So in this class, we will be differentiating between these three sounds. Now let's start with the first sound, that is the t sound. It is called the theta sound, and it is very similar to the regular t sound. The only difference is in the spelling. So the t sound is found in words like through, thought, thousand, anything, method, author, path, month, maths. Now, this sound is pronounced in a way that your tongue comes out of your mouth a little bit. And so it is different from the regular T sound, because when you pronounce the T sound, your teeth is closed together. But when you pronounce the th sound, your tongue comes out a little bit out of your teeth. And so let's move to the next sound, that is the da sound. Now this sound is very similar to the regular da sound. The only difference is that it is spelled as th, just like the theta sound. So the da sound is found in words like the, do, that, either, further, border, rhythm, with, smooth. Now wherever you find the th sound, it is either the theta sound or the da sound. Now let's do a comparison with the regular da sound. The da sound is found in words like den, dentist, duration, industry, misdirect, radiant, tragedy, mend, include, bowed. Now note the difference. The da sounds exactly the same. The only difference is that in the second sound, it is spelled as th, but in the third sound, it is spelled as d. Now here's something for you to always remember. The t sound and da sound are very similar to the ta sound and the da sound. The only difference is that the first part is spelled as th, while the second one is spelled as either t or d. Always remember, these two sounds are spelled as th in any word that they occur in. Now here is an exercise for you to try on your own. Identify the sounds in the following words. Thank you for joining this class. Have a nice day.